Welcome back to the News 8 Traffic Now channel. A couple of things slowing you down here on Tuesday, November 27th as we take a look at Palmer Lane. Again, some moving lane closures that will slow you down between Harris Branch Parkway and 290 as you move eastbound and westbound on Palmer Lane. Also, a reminder out near Samsung Boulevard and Harris Branch Parkway, that area reduced down to one lane in each direction until further notice. On FM 973, you got problems basically between 290 and Highway 79 up in Williamson County as you move both northbound and southbound. That's a long stretch coming up from the eastern portion to Travis County through Pflugerville and all the way up towards 79 in Round Rock. Keep this in mind as you move northbound and southbound. There'll be moving lane closures in that stretch of FM 973 until 4 o'clock this afternoon. So again, throughout the day today, there'll be various lane closures along FM 973 as you move between Austin and Round Rock. On I-35, if you're moving northbound, a reminder that the Onion Creek exit ramp, that's exit number 225, is closed until further notice. You'll have to use the FM 1327 exit ramp. And if you're moving westbound on the Highway 71 out near State Highway 130 and FM 973, that area headed westbound is reduced down to one lane. Also on Highway 79, if you're moving southbound, it's been reduced down to one lane between Exchange Boulevard and State Highway 130, and that's until 4 o'clock this afternoon. Also on the northbound side of 79, it's been reduced down to one lane between County Road 110 and State Highway 130. That's roughly the same area, and again until 4 o'clock. That neck of the woods will be a little bit busy on both sides. That's northbound and southbound 79 up in Williamson County. And if you're traveling over on 183 here in Travis County, the outside lane of the northbound side of 183 will be closed at FM 969 and Walnut Creek. So again, keep that in mind if you're moving northbound on 183 until 4 o'clock today. You'll have some backups there as you move north of FM 969, which is the MLK exit ramp, all the way up to Loyola near the YMCA. I'm Joe Taylor, and this is News 8 Traffic Now.